Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Clear rules make clear outcomes, but unclear rules? They lead to inconsistent decisions, delays, and avoidable rework. Business rules analysis helps teams avoid all of that by defining rules upfront. Business rules analysis identifies, defines, and structures the rules an organization relies on to make decisions. Today, we're exploring business rules analysis, a technique that helps teams interpret logic correctly, reduce ambiguity, and ensure decisions are made consistently across a system or process. Here's how it all comes together. Why does this matter? Business rules are the invisible forces behind every decision, yet most of them are unstated. If we don't capture them, assumptions take over, leading to mistakes, misalignment, and costly rework. Identifying rules early creates clarity for everyone, makes requirements precise, and ensures compliance with policies, regulations, or organizational standards. It protects the project from risk and builds confidence in the solution. Here's why the technique works so well. Making implicit rules explicit ensures no one relies on assumptions. Removing ambiguity reduces mistakes and miscommunication. Linking rules directly to policies or operational decisions makes it clear why choices are made. By doing all this, solutions accurately reflect how the business actually works, avoiding costly errors during development or deployment. When should you use it? Use this technique when decisions are complex, where multiple conditions determine the outcome. It's critical in heavily regulated environments where compliance must be ensured. It's essential in processes with many exceptions because exceptions often hide the most important rules. And in policy-driven processes, it ensures the rules are properly applied every time. Whenever ambiguity or hidden assumptions can impact outcomes, business rules analysis is invaluable. How do you apply this technique? First, identify your sources, policies, procedures, legislation, or expert knowledge. Next, extract the rules by asking questions like, what must always happen? Or what is never allowed? Then classify those rules. Are they constraints, permissions, calculations, or triggers? Validate the rules with stakeholders to ensure they reflect reality. Finally, link the rules to requirements so teams know exactly how the solution must behave. This structured process ensures no rule is overlooked. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you're analyzing loan eligibility. The business might say, we only approve qualified applicants, but that hides several rules. By breaking it down, we uncover 4 clear rules. Applicants must be at least 21, must have stable income, must have no active defaults, and the maximum loan amount is calculated based on income. Documenting these rules ensures the team understands exactly what conditions must be met. It also helps developers build the right validation checks, avoiding misinterpretation that could cause errors or delays. This shows how business rules analysis turns vague statements into actionable, precise requirements. Here's how to make the technique even stronger. Validate rules early to prevent costly mistakes. Challenge vague statements, they often hide important rules. Track rule changes over time because business rules evolve as policies change. And always link rules to the decisions they affect so stakeholders understand their relevance and impact. These steps make your rules actionable, reliable, and genuinely valuable for the project. Business rules analysis provides clarity, reduces surprises, and improves requirement accuracy. Capturing and validating rules early ensures solutions reflect real-world constraints and expectations. If your project involves critical decisions, compliance, or detailed conditions, this technique is essential. Next, we'll explore observation, which helps BAs see processes in action and uncover insights stakeholders might not even realize exist. See you then.